Hi everyone, happy Friday. Hope you're all doing good. Today we're gonna have a little fun and I'll explain to you what we're doing. So a few weeks ago I was on eBay and I came across a Hoover Convertible generic 11 blade fan. And I thought it might be really cool to try it in one of my machines to see if it'll turn a really powerful motor with the 6 blade newer fan and do something more powerful. Not as impressive as I would like, and I'll show you all of that really quick. So what I did, I actually originally had it in my Decade 800 and I wasn't wowed with the results, so I went and swapped it. So the Decade 800 now has the 6 blade fan back in there and standard regular brush roll, which would have come with it with the beater bar. And this is a 6.5 amp motor. Likewise, it's twin, made at the same time, because this is December of 90, this is November 88, so pretty similar, 2 years apart, but I call them twins because they're both 6.5 amp motor. This one has the 11 blade fan, and this is a special brush roll. So this brush roll originally was dual brushes, but they were all black, which is a little bit softer. So I have orange alternated by red. The red was kind of a medium. The orange is a little bit firmer. It's not real firm. It's still, you know, nothing like Ricard, Dyson, any of those Sharks, anything like that. But it's firmer for a convertible. So we will try it out. 6.5 amp, 6.5 amp. I'll put the bases back on. Hopefully you can see. I know you can see me here, so we'll do that. Main thing I've noticed so far is it's a sound change, for better or worse. Not sure. Now, this bag is due to be changed. That's the one thing with this experiment I guess I should have done, but I've been lazy in that respect. For control purposes, this is one you might say is all original. So this is convertible 1020 with black bristles as it would have come with, and a beater bar. And this is the older style metal based machine, 420 watt for carpets, and it goes into high speed mode when you put the attachments in there, which brings up to 625 watts. So 420 watt on flooring, 625 attachments, 6.5 amp, 6.5 amp. Now I have my, purposely, we're in view of the Oriental rug. For whatever reason, this machine, I don't know what it is about it. For a direct air machine, it doesn't seem to pick the carpet off of the floor as much as others. I don't know what's special about that. The only thing I have noticed that's a difference, there's a depth difference. This distance from here to here is slightly deeper than on that one, and I think also that one. That's the only thing I can figure. I don't know how that's special. That's the only thing I can figure. And I've even swapped out the base plate with that one that has more weather stripping on it. Haven't noticed a difference there either. So I don't know, maybe somebody has more knowledge about that. But anyway, we will run all three of them for you. Or not. You have a brush roll issue. Okay. Really? It's been working for the past hour. I don't know why it would break for the video. Alright. let's start with traditional. Kind of use this as a baseline variable. And who doesn't love the sound of a good Type C? Along with my favorite part of this, these switches, I love them. Now for the Decade 800. Listen to this closely. These two machines, before the fan swap, sounded exactly alike. You could not tell them apart. Maybe ever so slightly brush roll-ish type of thing, but basically sounded exactly alike. So the Decade is going to sound like a Decade 6.5 amp, 6 amp should be. Mind you, airflow is not what should be right now. It's a HEPA bag, but it's, you'll see. HEPA bags usually barely blow up. Now, 11 blade fan, 6.5 amp motor, brand new bag, and it's a HEPA bag. Crazy, isn't it? So, yes, it's smooth. I think it's quieter than it was before. The sound is quite different. But performance, I'm not wowed. I thought I was going to be wowed by 11 blade fan pulling a lot more fluid. And I don't know what it is about this machine, but even with the 6 blade or 11 blade fan, it just doesn't pick up the carpet like the other two do. So, anywho, there's that fun. Feel free to comment if you have experience, know what the deal is with the suction thing and this one doing it that way. and have a wonderful weekend.